Want to know your Tesco Mobile balance? There are three easy ways: the Tesco Mobile app, text codes, and IVR. The quickest and most popular way is through the Tesco Mobile app, available on iOS and Android. After downloading, register with your Tesco Mobile number and find your balance under the Account or Balance tab. It displays your credit, data usage, and expiry dates instantly. Make sure you're connected to the internet. Alternatively, you can send a free text message. For a balance inquiry, text BAL to 151. To check your data allowance, text DATA to 151. You'll receive an automated reply within seconds. Finally, you can call the IVR system at 0345 301 4455 and follow the voice prompts. This is free from your Tesco mobile phone, but other networks may charge you. The Tesco mobile app offers real-time balance updates and now includes biometric login for faster access and push notifications for low credit. The text method is straightforward and reliable, delivering information directly to your phone. AI-powered responses may include personalized tips. The IVR system has been upgraded with voice AI, potentially reducing wait times and even offering multilingual support. Keep in mind that app usage is growing, with trends suggesting AI-driven apps will predict usage and suggest top-ups. Text and IVR may phase out for niche users in the future as apps dominate. It's always best practice to avoid public Wi-Fi when checking your balance through the app. Choose the method that best suits your needs and enjoy managing your Tesco mobile account.